candle.
Eight.
Scott and Silly
Pass her Silly Goose.
Flying strap. Flying silly goose.
Silly Goose the penguin.
Nice.
I don't know where to put them.
In the cake.
Not that much.
Yeah, in the corners. You should like line them up.
So,
Just because.
wait. And on the other side too?
Sure.
Blue. Yellow.
Oh my matches.
Apparently I'm doing this the hard way too.
Ooh, flames.
So.
Lauren's flashing me. With her camera.
How dare she? It's her happy faking her quitting her fake job party. Oh no, I'm leaking candle wax.
Huge flame.
It is, isn't it? It's pretty awesome.
Holy
Okay.
crap.
I'm going to mess this up completely, right?
Yeah.
Happy quitting your fake job party to you! Happy quitting your fake job party to you! Happy quitting your fake job party! Dear Lauren! Happy quitting your fake job party to you! Yeah!
Yay!
Light your candle. Make a wish.